Welcome to GED Math in 30 Days. My name is Jeremy Tinsley, an adult educator for the last 20 years, and my goal and my drive is to help as many people as I can help pass their GED math exam and ultimately have their diploma. So I've been doing math and tutoring math and teaching math for a long, long time. And I'm making these videos for you to help pass your GED math exam. And today we'll be covering how to graph a line from standard form. Okay, the last video, we graphed a line using slope-intercept form. This video will graph a line using standard form. But again, it's just as easy. So I'm only going to do one or two problems. So let me get my pen. Now, so what do we know? What's given? This is standard form. What is standard form? Standard form of a linear equation. The standard form of a linear equation is AX plus BY equals C. The faster you know the differences in the different forms of a linear equation, the more ready you'll be for this exam. You will have probably anywhere from 5 to 10 problems that have to do with linear equations. You have to be ready. So AX plus BY equals C. My A is 4, my B is 3, and my C is 3. In order to find the slope, I'm going to take the opposite of A. So instead of positive 4, I'm going to have negative 4. And I'll put that over B, which is 3. So my slope is negative 4/3. That easy. You don't have to go solve for Y, what many teachers and a lot of adult educators show you. What I'm showing you is a fast, quick way to find the slope from standard form. Take the opposite of A and put it over B. That easy. Y-intercept is C over B, which is 3 over 3. Three over 3 is 1. So my y-intercept is 1. So now, just like the former video, how to graph, you're going to graph your y-intercept first. My y-intercept is 1. So that's my first point. And then I'm going to use my slope, minus 4 over 3. Remember, rise over run. What this tells you is my negative 4. So remember, you can look at this two ways. Negative 4 over 3 or 4 over negative 3. It does not matter. Matter of fact, I'm going to graph both these points so that you'll see they're both on the same line. So first, I'm going to go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. My rise is negative 4. My run is positive 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to use the second way I can indicate slope. Plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And my run is negative 3, so I must go to the left. 1, 2, 3. If you notice, all 3 points are on the same line. All 3 points are on the same line. Look at that. So it doesn't matter what slope you use. And when I wanted to show you that, so you know that they're the same. Okay, so that's how you graph a linear equation from standard form. Again, identify that the equation is standard form. Identify your slope, which is change the sign of A, put it over B. Identify your y-intercept, which is C over B. Plot your y-intercept first on your graph, and then use your slope to get to your second point, to graph your second point. That easy. Okay, let's do another example. Let's look at number 3. Again, identify that this is standard form. AX plus BY equals C. My A is negative 5. My B is positive 3. My C is negative 9. To find the slope, I'm going to change the sign of A. So instead of negative 5, I'm going to have plus 5. Put it over B, which is plus 3. So my slope is 5/3. Okay, so 5/3 can be 5 over 3, or it could be negative 5 over negative 3, because 2 negatives make a positive, either one, and I'll graph both. My C is negative 9, but my y-intercept is C over B, which is negative 9 over 3, which is negative 3. So my y-intercept is negative 3. My slope is 5/3. When I'm graphing, I want to graph my y-intercept first. So that's negative 3. Now, my slope is 5/3. So I need to go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my rise is +5 and my run is +3. 1, 2, 3. I got my second point. That's all you need to do in order to graph a line in standard form. Okay? The easiest thing to do is identify, make sure you identify what form it's in. Then identify your slope and your y-intercept. It's that easy. I hope this video helped. If it didn't, make sure you rewind, watch it again. It's a very, this concept will be on your GED math exam, so you have to be ready to be able to find the slope and the y-intercept when your linear equation is in standard form. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out my website, passgedmath.com. Make sure you check out my ebook, which shows you how to solve some of the most difficult problems on the GED math exam in less than 1 minute. It's one of your best investments you're going to make. It'll save you hours and hours of preparation time. I guarantee you. Make sure you check out my website and make sure you subscribe to my channel and comment on any video that has helped you in your journey to pass your GED math exam. Thank you and have a nice day. I'll see you next lesson.